Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat eggs every day? Eggs are often called a superfood, and for a good reason. According to WebMD, each egg contains only 75 calories, but is packed with 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of saturated fat. Plus, they're loaded with essential nutrients like iron, vitamins A, D, E, and B12, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Stay tuned as we uncover 6 incredible health benefits of eating eggs daily and why you should consider adding them to your diet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more daily health tips like this. 6. Boosts weight loss. Did you know eggs can help you lose weight? Research from the Rochester Center for Obesity Research found that eating eggs for breakfast reduces daily calorie intake by over 400 calories, helping you lose up to 3 pounds per month. Eggs curb your appetite, keeping you fuller for longer, and reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. If you're trying to shed some pounds, start your day with eggs for a satisfying, low-calorie breakfast. 5. May reduce breast cancer risk. According to Harvard University research, consuming eggs during adolescence may lower the risk of breast cancer. Additionally, a study from the University of North Carolina found that choline, a nutrient in eggs, reduces breast cancer risk by 24%. Since one egg contains 25.5 milligrams of choline, eating 2 eggs gets you almost halfway to the recommended daily intake. While eggs can support your health, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. 4. Reduces stress and anxiety. Feeling stressed? Eggs can help. They're rich in lysine, an amino acid that helps regulate serotonin levels, according to a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Lowering stress and anxiety improves sleep patterns, reduces emotional eating, and supports overall mental health. Adding eggs to your diet may help you feel calmer and more balanced. 3. Protects your eyes. Egg yolks are a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating 1.3 egg yolks daily increased lutein levels by up to 50% and zeaxanthin levels by over 100%. These antioxidants reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, helping maintain your vision as you age. Number 2, lowers inflammation. Eggs contain dietary phospholipids which combat inflammation, according to the journal Nutrients. By reducing inflammation, eggs lower the risk of chronic diseases like cardiovascular conditions. A study led by Paul Ridker from Harvard Medical School emphasizes how anti-inflammatory nutrients in eggs support heart health. 1. Protects your liver. Choline, a key nutrient in eggs, prevents fatty liver disease by reducing hepatic lipid buildup, according to Advances in Nutrition. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that women with high choline intake significantly lowered their risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Eating eggs helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and supports the production of vital hormones like testosterone and estrogen. How many eggs should you eat? Studies suggest eating 1 to 3 eggs daily is safe for most people. Consuming pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs can provide even more health benefits. While dietary cholesterol in eggs was once a concern, the 2015-2020 Dietary Guidelines for Americans dropped cholesterol limits, confirming that moderate egg consumption is healthy for most individuals. Conclusion: eggs are a nutrient-packed addition to any diet, offering benefits like weight management, cancer prevention, eye protection, and liver health. However, everyone's body is different, so it's important to consult a healthcare provider for personalized guidance. How many eggs do you eat daily? Let us know in the comments below. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Start incorporating eggs into your diet today and enjoy their amazing benefits.